So you want to replace the ear pads on your Bose QuietComfort Ultra. My name is Or from Wicked Cushions, and in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Let's start the video. Alright, so let's replace the ear pad. The first step is going to be to remove the old ear pads. Now you can either use just your hands if you have a little bit of nails, or a butter knife if it's too hard for you with your hands. But simply hold them from here, put a finger inside the gap that's right here, like that, and just pull out the ear pad. All right, so the way that these ear pads install is you'll see 6 hooks. I'll try to get a better look for you on the back of the ear pad, and you'll see 6 slots on the ear cup itself. Now this stage is optional. If your headphones are pretty new, you might not want to replace this yet, but if you do want to replace it, simply the screen covers, we call them, they are simply glued on. So you're just going to pull them out. Now when you do this, make sure you have no liquids around you, because a drop of liquid into the exposed speaker could ruin your headset. So in order to replace this, if it gets too dirty, simply pull it off like this. And then you'll see some residue over here. All right, just simply peel off the residue. All right. Now for this video, I'm going to be using the same color ear pads. And let me just grab the screen cover. So on our screen cover, you also have 3 adhesives. Simply going to peel them off. Sometimes the adhesive might peel off completely. If you feel that it's starting to peel off with the foam, simply hold the adhesive with your fingers and peel this off, okay? Right. The reason why I'm doing this one at a time is because I don't want to open both of them and leave them exposed. So I'm finishing with the right side, and then I'm moving to the left side. Just gonna simply place it the way it was before, like that. That is it. And this is the new pad, which I'll show you some of the differences later. But basically, this is the new pad. This is the original pad. And again, simply going to click those hooks inside. That's it. Now we'll do the same process on the other side. Going to peel off the adhesive. Then going to, again, the hooks into the holes and push. And that is pretty much it. Let me show you some of the differences between our pads and the original pads. So first thing you'll notice out of the bat is that ours are much thicker than the original. They are made with our own combination of PU leather and our own foam inside. They come in various designs. like the 90s black right here and other designs that you'll see on our website. And that is it. If you want to try them out, simply click at the link at the top right corner right now or in the description below and let me know what you think. And that is it for today's video, everyone. I really hope that it was helpful. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us. Our contact information is in the description below. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this every month. I will see you on the next one. Meanwhile, stay wicked, my friends.